That's now the moment that I've been waiting for a long time. Now I can start finally to think about this, how I will install this amplifier. I know, of course, that it's coming here, and I also decided to make this board new because I want to make a hole to this board that this amplifier can breathe a little bit better. The question is that where I can find a similar material than this is some kind of, at least this part is some kind of plastic. It's quite thick, it's about 2 centimeters thick. Obviously I'm going to use wood. I would like to use quite light wood. I don't want to use any heavy material. Another question is that how can I find something which is similar to this carpet? I don't mind if this texture is a little bit different. I want that it's black. I try to make this new board as close to this old one, this original one. This is made out of 3 different parts which are folding, and at least this part I have to make a little bit bigger. I can't install this amplifier yet because I don't have it, and that's going to be another interesting part. I'm going to fly almost 1,800 kilometers to get this amplifier. I'm going to fly from Zurich to Helsinki, and I'm going to visit maybe the best hi-fi shop in the world. Obviously that's not my only reason to go there. But now I can go to our local Bauhaus and try to find similar thickness wood and this carpet. $97. Exactly square. So I'm here in Bauhaus now. I'm not so worried about this wood. Of course I can find some wood that I can use. I'm more worried about this carpet, which kind of carpet I can find. Of course I have to buy some kind of contact glue that I can attach this carpet. Yeah, let's go. Well, I kind of knew it. There's pretty much nothing what I can use. I think I'm going to use these boards. These are pretty cheap and they're about the right size. I don't have to cut much. Is this going to bend when it's getting moist maybe in the trunk? This we will see. It wasn't that good. I couldn't find this carpet, so I have to go to another shop. If I won't have a luck there, then I just have to order. All those carpets are too thick, I can't use those, but at least I could find this spray glue from here. Okay, I think I have to give up with these carpets. There's millions of carpets, but all are of course too thick. Those are meant to be on the floor. I can't use something like that. So I have to order something. That's not a big problem. I just have to wait a little bit. These woods, actually I can cut already to the right size. how much heavier are these? This original board is 5.2 kilos with the carpet. These are 7.6 without the carpet. Carpet will add maybe a few hundred grams. But now I will fly to Finland. I will get this amplifier and also maybe this carpet from there. Those will easily fit into my suitcase. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will be back soon.